Good morning, everyone. Myself Satya Pujita, roll number 468 from ECEA. We are presenting a project titled Drone Anti-Incendi, which is an aerial fire detection and suppression system. This project is designed to reduce human risk during fire accidents, especially in dangerous or hard to reach areas like forests, high-rise buildings. Fire can easily spread rapidly within seconds, and immediate response is very important to prevent damage or loss of life. Traditional firefighting methods can be risky and time consuming as they involve direct human involvement. Our drone is equipped with sensors to detect fire and a mechanism to suppress. It can quickly reach the affected area and begin the initial firefighting process before emergency team arrives. Our aim is to provide fast, efficient and safe solution for firefighting using modern technology.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Chaitanya. The main component used in our project included quadcopter frame, brushless DC motor, electronic speed controller, and a flight controller for stable flight. We use flame sensor and temperature sensors for detection of fire. The flame sensor detects infrared radiations emitted by fire, while the temperature sensor measured heat level to confirm the presence of fire. A water pump or fire extinguisher module is used to suppress the fire. Additionally, a rechargeable battery is used as a power source, and a remote control system is used for navigation and control of the drone. The flight controller acts as brain of the system, coordinating all components. Each component is carefully selected to ensure proper balance between performance, weight, and efficiency.
Myself Ramesh and I'm explaining about each component. The flame sensor detects the presence of fire by sensing infrared radiation. The temperature sensors measure heat levels and helps in confirming the intensity of the fire. The fire control maintains the balance and stability the drone during flight by processing signals from various sensors. The electronic speed controllers regulate the speed of the motors based on these signals. The motors and propellers generates lift and allow the drone to move in different directions such as forward, backward, left and right. The battery supplies power to all components including the motors and the water pump system. The water pump is responsible for spraying water or extinguishing agents directly onto the fire. All components work together in coordination to ensure accurate detection and effective suppression of fire. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Rupa, bearing roll number of 407. Coming to the working model of the project, initially the drone is navigated to the suspected fire area using a remote control system. Once it reaches the location, the sensor continuously monitors the surroundings for signs of fire. When fire is detected, the sensors send a signal to the control system. The system then processes the information and activates the water pump of fire extinguisher model. The drone sprays the extinguishing agent directly onto the fire, helping to control or reduce it. The operator can adjust the position of the drone for more accurate targeting. Additionally, the system can be enhanced by adding a camera for real-time monitoring of the fire situation. This improves decision making and ensures better control during emergency conditions.
Myself Aryan. So our result of our project is the project was successfully tested for fire detection and suppression. The flame and temperature sensors were able to detect the fire more accurately. The drone responded very quickly to the detection signal and activated the suppression mechanism without delay. The water spraying system worked efficiently in reducing the intensity of fire. The drone also showed stability flight performance during the test and was able to reach target area efficiently. Overall, the system demonstrated reliable performance and very quick response in emergency situations.
My name is Afreen Fazia. So, in conclusion, the drone anti-incendiary system provides an innovative solution for modern firefighting challenges. It reduces the risk to human life and ensures faster response to fire accidents. The system is efficient, reliable, and capable of operating in hazardous environments where human access is difficult. In the future, this system can be upgraded with advanced features like GPS tracking, autonomous navigation, and real-time video transmission. It can also be integrated with smart city systems for faster emergency response. With further improvements, this drone has great potential for real-world applications in safety, disaster management, and emergency services. Thank you.